Hey people, welcome back. Hoping you guys are doing great and also preparing for the interview. So let's look at another question. Find and print the strings containing only digits. So we have a list of string given and we just need to print the string which is containing digits. So we have 1, 2, 3 which contain only digits and 45, and that is the output. The rest, this is not digit and this is a combination, so that gets rejected. Okay, so let's code this. Our return type is going to be a list of string stream.filter. We just need to filter out and dot matches. Since all of them are strings, so it has a lot of functions, as you can see. So matches is the one which we are going to consider, and we have to provide the expression. We can write 0 to 9, and a quantifier has to be given in order there is more than one digits. Okay, and then we are going to collect it. Oops, I did not print it. So we see the answer coming up. There is another way that you can check for the digits, that is, I think that's called backward slash. Yes, so even by using backward slash you can check for the same. So there's a whole lot of regular expressions that comes into the picture when we are dealing with these kind of questions, and also they are helpful in many ways, so do check them out. They are very handy and very helpful. So thank you so much for watching this, hoping you understood this. Let's catch up in the next video.